Backyard Wildlife in Connecticut by Joshua LeBlanc. This is my backyard. Just a few steps out your front door and you'll find these ants are sugar ants and are omnivorous, which means they feed mainly on both meat and vegetables. Sugar ants are highly territorial and will attack anything that isn't from their colony. They'll even invade other colonies just because they're too close to each other. Once the other colony's queen ant is killed, all the surviving ants will become workers for the other colony, and the two colonies become one. Take a few more steps and you'll find closely related species is red squirrel. A gray squirrel is a highly social animal which feeds mainly on nuts and berries. They eat whenever they can and often eat with siblings. These rodents mate in late winter and make a nest of bark, dead leaves, and twigs. They usually use it repeatedly. They chase each other a lot and perform amazing feats jumping from tree to tree, sometimes jumping over 10 feet. Squirrels clean themselves often, and sometimes clean other squirrels with their tongue. This is shown here. Take a few more steps and you'll find this particular bird is a downy woodpecker. They peck on trees to draw sap and eat the insects attracted to it. This bird is a robin. It's our state bird and feeds on worms. This is a cardinal. It feeds on seeds and is red. The females are brown. Here it is shown, perched in a tree. You can tell it eats seeds by the curved beak. Look a bit harder and you'll see This is a young red-tailed hawk. They eat rodents, such as squirrels, chipmunks, and mice, birds, such as robins, cardinals, and snakes. Larger birds like crows and blue jays usually attack these hawks because they threaten their nest. Look a bit harder and you'll find one of the largest ground squirrels. The woodchuck feeds on seeds and grasses. This one is eating clovers. It also eats small animals like snails and grasshoppers that are in the grass. The woodchuck can both climb and swim, and in fall, it digs a deep hole for hibernation. The woodchuck is very aggressive to its own kind. But when threatened by a larger animal, it will flee. Take a short walk and you'll see the common snapping turtle lives in freshwater ponds and streams. It is most active at night when it feeds on almost anything that moves. Don't get too close to them. They have an extremely powerful bite and have been known to take off people's limbs with it. During the day, they usually hide near the bank of a river or lurk in the mud. They feed on frogs and fish. Sometimes they even have algae growing on their backs. These are North American bullfrogs. They are young and inexperienced, easy to catch. They breathe through their skin and eat mainly insects. This is my brother Nathan. As you can see, he just caught one. It was hiding near the bank, which is where most bullfrogs like to hide. You can tell whether these animals are male or female. Males have a yellow belly and females don't. These are some grackles who nested in my carport. Grackles are like small crows and they eat almost the same things too. If you can look closely, you'll see the mama grackle with her eggs. One baby has just hatched. Right now she's turning the eggs over so that they'll get warm. They will soon hatch also. As you can see, some of the other eggs have hatched. There are now 4 young. Over there are her babies. They're crying out for food. Feeding time is every 10 minutes. This is the mother going out to feed her babies. She shall soon come back with some tasty insects for her young to eat. We were able to catch this amazing spectacle with a security camera bought online. We hooked it into our carport and we could just sit at the TV and watch the babies. The mother is now going back out for more food. This is the babies at 12 days old. They look much older and they are already fledged. They're ready to leave the nest. Well, almost. The nest is filled with straw and dead grass that the grackles fetch from our gutter, and keeps the babies nice and safe. This is the mother, again, feeding her babies. She eats the insects, then regurgitates it into their mouth. The mother has just fed them. These babies are 14 days old. They are now ready to leave the nest. Now she's going to get more food.